Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to place your ONN 4K remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So this is very easy. Just with the remote, you need to press the back button and the home button at the same time. And if you do this, you'll notice this light on the top here will start blinking like, I don't know, just start blinking orange. So just hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds till that light starts to blink, and it will be in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's when it's synced up, you should notice the light is gone here, and then when you press a button, it'll be like orange. But you might have to go to the ONN device by itself, and there's a little button that you have to press down for about 10 seconds right by the HDMI cable. So let's do this now. Go to your ONN device, and then hold this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So it brings up this screen and it says press and hold the back button and the home button for about 5 seconds until the LED light blinks green. Keep your remote within 3 feet of the streaming device. So you can just do it when this screen pops up, and it will sync and pair up to your ONN 4K device. So it's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.